We are pleased to show you the 2015 Q5. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, fog lights, rear fog light, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find footwell lights, cruise control, trip computer, cargo area power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, 2, overhead console.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.